नन्दनन्दनहं वन्दे राधिका चरणोदयं गोपीनां समयुक्ता नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामिने श्री कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधो जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी विश्वभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये शिरूपमंजरी करार्चित पाद पद्म गुष्चंदन भुजार्पितमस्तकाय हा मदत कनक गौरी पदारविंदम सन्वहानि सनकोईस्तव किं करिष्ये श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्त वृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. First of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances, Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of my spiritual master Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Sikshang Sannyas Guru Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj, and simultaneously offer my Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satismad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Guruganda Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakas Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Ukti Brahmapuri Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. Lord is one, God is one, and Ekameva Paramatattam. Only one absolute truth, that is called Lord Himself. Ekameva Paramatattam. Paramatattam. That absolute truth. But in His spontaneous, inconceivable potencies, Ajanta Sakti, He manifests many forms, many रूप. In Brajavasis, they are saying, Ram or Krishna kabhu nahi bhed. There are no difference, Ram and Krishna. राम और कृष्ण कबू नहीं भेद. एक के नयन चंचल और दूसरी के नयन गंभीर. ब्रजवासी दे आर सेइंग दिस. स्वीट कल. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? एक के नयन गंभीर. Whose eyes are very serious. राम, भगवान रामचंद्र की. और दूसरी की नयन चंचल. Whose eyes are very restless? Krishna. You cannot say Ram is another Bhagavan or Krishna is another Bhagavan. Lord is one. ঈশ্বরের ভেদ মানিলে hoy aparad. If you think Ram is one Bhagavan, Krishna is another Bhagavan, there is offense, aparad. So, very carefully, to understand. Jar jai ros sei ros sar vicharili tarastha hiya vicharili achitartam. According to the Rasmadhurja, devotee they worship Ramachandra, some they worship Vishnu, Narayan, Lakshmi Narayan, Vaikuntha, Lakshmi Narayan. Ayodhya, Ramchandra, Sitaram. Then Dwarkadhish Krishna, in Dwarkapuri, Rukmini, Satyabhama, they are also. Then more upper stage, that is called Mathura. Then upper stage, Golok Vrindavan. Golok Vrindavan, very nice, beautiful Krishna's form. That is called Tribhanga Lalit form. And is very beautiful and attractive. He performs sweet lila with his own associates, parikar. And Gopo Gopi Sanghabhritam. In Golok Vrindavan, Krishna performs sweet lila with Gopi, cows, and always he is thinking, I am Gopojati. What is he saying? I am a cowherd dynasty. This mood is there. Yeah, very beautiful. So for this Brahmaji is saying, Govindam Adi Purusang Tamahang Bhajami. 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 He is Govinda Adi Purush. I worship the what is it called? Original Supreme Personality. Original Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna Govinda. His name is called Govinda. Govindeti Govinda. There are many meanings of Go means cows. Go means Gopi. Go means Brahmana. Go means Vedas. Vindeti Anandeti. That means he gives pleasure to all his associates in Golok Vrindavan. Then same Krishna, Govinda, he manifested his sweet form in Ayodhya. That time his name is called Ramachandra. Same Govinda, you cannot say the others. Same Krishna, he appears in the form of Ramachandra. Where? Ayodhya. That time all his associates were different. So when Krishna Govinda, he appears in the form of Ayodhya, Ramachandra, and that time Srimati Radhika, she appeared in the form of Sita Devi. These are things. The same Krishna, when he appears in the form of Vaikuntha Dham, in the form of Narayan, Chaturbhuj, Shankha Chakra Gada Padmadhari Narayan, four-handed, very nice, beautifully formed. And that time same Srimati Radhika, she appeared in the form of Lakshmi. So that means you cannot say the Lord different, no? The same Lord, just manifest many forms and he gives the pleasure all his devotees. In this way, he is releasing different rasas from the heart of his devotee. In Vaikuntha, which rasa is there? Mellows. Right? That is called the prominent, that is called Santa, neutral. Or secondary, that is called Dasa rasa. And then when Vaikuntha, his associates also different. Visaksen, Godur, Lakshmi Devi, all they are there. And when same Krishna when appears in Ayodhya Ramachandra Sarup, then Srimati Radhika she appeared in the form of Sita Devi. Then Hanumanji also is there. Dasaras, always habitual mood. Seva Bhakti, Dasaras. Seva, Dasa Pradhan. But Hanumanji is thinking, Ramchandra is my heart and soul. Srinathe Janaki Nathe Abheda Paramatmani Tathapi Rama Kamalochana Mamo Sarvasya Jivanam. And Hanumanji, he says, how he has nistha in his Ishtadev. Srinathe Janaki Nathe Abheda Paramatma. Both are called Paramatma Tattva. Srinathe Janaki Nathe. There are no difference between Ram and Krishna. Srinathe Janaki Nathe. Abheda Paramatma, there is a Paramatma, Bhagavat Tattva. Lord manifested in three. A Lord here three aspects. One is called Brahma, Paramatma, and Bhagavan. He is one, but he has three aspects. Brahma, Paramatma, Bhagavan. So, Hanumanji, he is saying, Srinathe Janaki Nathe Abheda Paramatmani Tathapi Rama Kamalochana Mama Sarvasya Jivanam. I know there are no different Krishna and Ram. But my nistha with my Ishtadev, Bolo Syavar Ramchandra ki Ramachandra. Very sweet. It's a nistha this way. Lord is one, always think this way. Tattva Siddhanta always with Tattva Siddhanta. Siddhanta Sattva Vedisu Opi Srisa Krishnayo. According to the conception of the scriptures, there are no difference Krishna and Narayana Ram. Lord is one. But Tattva Rasa Siddhanta Krishna Rasa Eva Sthiti. Then Krishna Rasa is highest. Because the Madhurya is completely, absolutely, Madhurya Rasa manifested in there. Just give an example. Moon, full moon, then what do you say? Half moon, quarter moon, half moon, this way. In the same way, Lord, He is complete, Purna. Purna Muda, Purnasya Purna Mahadaya, Purna Eva Avasisate. Lord is always complete. So you cannot say the Ram is another Bhagavan or Krishna is another Bhagavan. Innumerable living entities also, they have different rasas. Those are Dasa Ras. They worship to Ram and Sita under the guidance of Hanumanji. You cannot become Hanuman. But if you want to serve Lord Rama and Sita, you have to serve under guidance of Hanumanji. But he is the best servitor, Sevak. Or Sita ji Anugatta in Ayodhya. This is the process also. Then if you want to worship Vishnu or Narayan in Vaikuntha, you have to worship Vishnu under guidance of Godura. Godura understand? The career of Lord Vishnu or Visakse. Because Lord is same but different his form and all their associates are different. This is the saying this way. Are in Golok Vrindavan, Krishna's his associate that is called Gopa Gopi Samavritam. And he always three-band fold, Trivanga Lalit, Venu Karati, Baraha Pidang Narvarabopu Karana Karnikaram, Vibritavaso Kanakavisang Vijantamalam, Randhano Beno Radharsuda Pura and Gopa Vrindai, Vindaranang Saparavanang, Pravisadagiti. So they were saying, but very nice, they glorified our Krishna's very nice, beautiful cover form. And in Vrindavan, always Krishna is thinking, I am Kopajati. Krishna jate khela sarvottam naralila narabapu tahara sarup gopavesh benukar navakisur natavar naralilar hoy anurup. Krishna sarup vichar suna sanatan adday gyam tatta braje Brajendra Nandan. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself told to Sanatana Goswami. This Sanatana, listen, very nice, beautiful conception about Krishna, Krishna Tattva. Krishna Sarup Vichar Suna Sanatana. Lord is Krishna is called Advai Gyan Paratattva. What is it? What is it? Advai Gyan Paratattva. Advai means not Dvai with him, non-dual, is one. But in his inconceivable potency, Ajanta Sakti, he manifests manifold. Why? He gives pleasure to his devotee and he releasing all the mellows from the heart of his devotees. Because Lord is one, but many devotees. Understand? As like many kinds of preparation, prepare. As like in Govardhan Puja, Annakut Mahotsav. You prepare not? You celebrate Annakut Mahotsav. How many preparations you prepare? Many. Not only one. Especially in Braj, how many? 300, 400, 600. Many kinds of preparation. But you cannot eat the whole preparation. But which is your favorite? You can take. What do you have? Taste. Some people they are like Karela. Okay, take Karela. Some people they like sweets. Okay, take sweets. And some people they like ice cream. She likes ice cream. You like or not? Just give an example. In this material world, everything is variety also. Vaichitramay Jagat. What is it? Vaichitramay, variety. There is a transcendental world. Also there is a Rasa Vaichitra. What is called? Rasa Vaichitra. Variety of the different rasas. Yes. A devotee is also there. So for this God, Lord, He manifests in form. These ways. But always the Tattva Siddhanta Lord is one. Innumerable living entities, Ananta Jivas. They are different, their taste, different, their activities. Just I gave example, Hanumanji. Hanumanji, what did he say? He told the Tattva Siddhanta. He says, I know there are no difference, Krishna and Ram or Narayan. Same, Lord is same. So, Srinate Janaki Nate Abheda Paramatmani Tatha Virama Kamalochana Mama Sarvasya Jivanam. Hanuman is Dasaras. And he serves his Istadev Ramachandra. Always he thinking, I am his Kinkar. What is he saying? Kinkar. Kinkar means Sanskrit word. Kinkar. Ankim karomi. Ahankim karomi. Say Baba. How will serve my Istadev? How will give the best pleasure of my Istadev Bhagavan Ramchandra. The Gurudev gave an example. Once Lakshman he told to Hanumanji, hey Hanuman, we are three brothers. Lakshman, Bharat, Shatrugna. So daytime we will serve to our brother Ramachandra. Or night time, Mother Sita Devi, she will serve Ramachandra. So you have no job. No seva. So then Hanuman, my Lakshman, he is called PA. Nobody understand? PA means personal assistant of Lord Ramachandra. PA. Understand? Everything is managing. But he is manager. What to do? He is boss. Ramachandra's boss. Okay. Nice, sir. So Lakshman, he told Hanuman, you have no job. No, sir. With Hanuman, he became very upset. 2 days, he completely was full fast, He did not drink one glass of water and crying and crying and crying. Then after 2 days, Bhagavan Ramchandra, he asked to Lakshman, hey Lakshman, here is my servant Hanuman. He is not coming. And Lakshman, he told, then I distributed this job, everything. Manage everything, Understand? So we are 3 brothers also distribute our job, daytime. Or night time, Mother Sita Devi, she served you. Lakshman has no job. Hey, Hanuman has no job. No seva. So Ramchandra, he told. Ramchandra is Bhagavan, he knows the heart of Hanuman. Then Ramchandra, he told Lakshman, you call to Hanuman. Then Hanuman, he came, and his body very weak, crying and crying and crying. And he hold the lotus feet of Lord Ramchandra crying. Then Ramchandra told, what happened? Why you are crying? What happened? Then he explained, your brother, Lakshman, he did not give me any seva. So without your seva, how can I survive my life? Because always Hanuman is saying is that I am his kinkar. Kim karomi, kim karomi. How will serve my study? 1 second. I cannot live without seva. Sevoker visram nai. The Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, Bengali words, he used, what did he say? Sevoker visram nai. What is the meaning? Who is perfect servant? He is not taking a rest. Understand? All he is in servicing. Even he is sleeping. This is his also seva. When he closes his eyes, his manasik seva coming. You are thinking over, he is sleeping. Understand? In his mind, remembering, that is called Sanskrit word, that is called manasik seva. Seva sadhaka rupena siddha rupena chatrahi tadbhava lipsunam braja loka anusarata. Service, 2 kinds of service, sadhak roop and siddha roop. You understand? In sadhak, your sadhak body, you serve. Different ways service, cooking, cleaning, making garland, many kinds of service, fanning. This is called sadhak or physical seva. Or another is called siddha, in your transcendental spiritual body, manasik seva, and you servicing to Lord. This is that. So seva sadhaka rupena siddha rupena chatrahi tad bhavo lipsuna brajaloko anusarata. How Brajavasi they serve to Krishna. You have these types of lipsuna, your desire will come. That will serve. So now coming this way, so for this regard, I use these Bengali words, Sevakir Visramnai. This word also quoted by Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, who is real perfect, all he is a salvation. And seva, different way. Manasik seva, physically seva, different ways seva going on this way. So now coming to Hanumanji is very upset, crying and saying, Ramchandra testified to him, don't worry. Then Ramchandra told to Lakshman, hey Lakshman, Hanuman, he is my best servant, seva. You know, in the battlefield of, what is it called? Lanka. How Lakshman also, Hanuman also saved your life. This is Dwaram. And when Lakshman, what is called, wounded by the Shakti Salvi, or the special arrows, that is called Shakti Sal Ban. Answer very powerful. Indrajit. So then Lakshman completely what? And unconscious. And that time Hanuman, he also, what is called? Saved his life. And Hanuman, he bought the, what is called, special herbs from Sanjeevani Bhatti. So this katha is there also. So Ramchandra, he told. And Hanuman, and he not ordinary. So you are my brother, true. But Hanuman, his service is what? Unique and unparalleled. And so you have to give some service to him. Then Lakshman is thinking, what service are you doing? All service taken. So they are doing. Lakshman, he told Hanuman, okay, I will give you one job to you. Understand? Call to him. Okay, sit here in front of my brother Ramachandra. And when Ramchandra, he will take the yoni. Yeah. When your tiredness coming, especially when your sleepiness will come, your eyes will become very small. Then sleepiness coming. Yoni. Thank you, Maharaj. When we finish class, I will go. This is true around. Swayane Janardana. Understand? When you sleep, remember to Janardana. Bhajane. When you take prasad, to remember to him. Swayane Padmanabh. When you sleep, remember to Padmanabh. Saying Bhagavan Padmanabh. 16 names of Lord. Every day you have to remember. So Sayane Padmanabh or Bhojane Janardhan. When you take prasad, you have to remember Janardhan. Okay, just I will come to the Hanuman. So when my brother Ramchandra will take the yoni, what is called? Yoni, then you just make the place. Actually, this is not the meaningless. Just okay, Hanuman is something better than nothing. Understand? Something better than nothing. Very difficult to find out the job. Some job is made. Made up job. Made up job. Okay. So, but Hanuman is thinking, when my master Ramchandra, he will be take yoni, who knows? So it is better Hanuman sitting and watching very nice, beautiful lotus feet of Lord Ramachandra. And in his mind chanting and making the clap. Hardev is called. Clicks, Jai Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Jai Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Jai Ram. Jai Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Siya Ram. Jai Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Siya Ram. Jai Ram, Jai Ram, Jai Siya Ram. Siya Ram, Siya Ram, Siya Siya Ram. Siya Ram, Siya Ram, Siya Sita. Bolo Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Sita Ram. Sita Ram. Hare he chanting. Then Ramchandra start to this Leela also. Ramchandra every second. Lakshman, notice what happened, my brother. Why is he sick? Called many doctors. Doctor could not find out any what is the cause. Then Ramchandra himself told, hey, Lakshman, actual Hanuman, he is always making the clicks. So for this regard, I am always running. Balavindavan Vihari. Then Lakshman to Hanuman, I will give another joy. Balavindavan. Why I am saying this? Because Hanuman, he is always thinking, I am, what is called? Kinkar. And Sevak. There are many servants of Lord, this is true. But Hanuman is the best servant of Lord Ramachandra. Sevak Hanuman. Jiv Sarupa dekho. What is the condition and nature of the Jiva? Jiver Sarupa, Krishna Nitya Das. All the living entities, they are the servant of Krishna. Here Krishna means not only Krishna. Krishna means also the servant of Ram. According to the Lord. If you are, and if your potential of Vaikuntha, you are the servant of Vishnu. If your inside your potential, that is called Ayodhya, then you will be the servant of Ramachandra. And if your potential is Madhurya Ras, then you will be servant of Krishna. You understand? This is the process of. This is all this. So different kinds of jivas, different. They are also nature, sabhav, services. They are also. Some jivas are servicing in Vaikuntha. Some jivas they are servicing in Ayodhya. Some jivas are servicing in Dwarka, Golok, Vrindavan. Different. So this is the Tattva Siddhanta. Ramachandra Seva. Very strict. So Hanuman so for the Hanuman is saying, Srinathe Janaki Nathe Aveda Paramatmani Tathapi Ramachandra Mama Sarvasya. Srinathe Janaki Nathe Aveda Paramatmani Tathapi Ram Kamalaruchana Mama Sarvasya Jivan. As Srimati Radhika, what is saying? Tajantu bandhava sarvai nindastu guravo jana tathapi sama sundar mama sarvasya jivan. Srinathe tajantu bandhava sarvai. Srimati Radhika, she says, I love Krishna. For this God, all my relatives, maybe they give up me. No harm. Tajantu bandhava sarvai nindastu guravo jana. Even my superiors, they use many harsh words to me. No harm. But I will not give up my beloved Krishna. So Srimati Radhika nishtha here with Krishna. Hanumanji nishtha with Ramachandra. Or Srimati Radhika nishtha with Krishna. So saying, everything nishtha depends on the nishtha, steadiness. Nishtha with upajay premero taranga. Chaitanya. You will be attain the highest prem, everything. The first depend on your nishtha. Nishtha means steadiness. So for this regard, only the Nam nishtha, Bhajan nishtha, Guru nishtha. Everything use this word. What word? Nishtha. And nishtha means steadiness. And if you want to practice devotional service to Lord, Bhagavat Seva, need what? Nishtha. So Guru Nishtha, first need Guru Nishtha. Eh? Guru Nishtha, that is called the backbone of our spiritual life. Sadhana bhajan. Eh? If you have no Guru Nishtha, you will never to develop your sadhana bhajan. Eh? So Guru Nishtha, Nam Nishtha, Bhajan Nishtha, always use this word. Nishtha, steadiness, one pointed, do or die. This is the process. Understand? If you have no backbone, so you cannot sit proper way. Huh? If you have backbone point, what is called? Pain, spondylitis, something this. You cannot sit properly. In the same way, our bhajan sadhan backbone, that is called Guru Nishtha. Srila Gurudev Narayana Goswami Maharaj, again and again, he also repeat this word. Guru Nishtha, that is called the backbone of our sadhana. Guru Padvad mein jar rahe Nishtha bhakti, sansar tarite se dhare mahasakti. Bengali word. Remember this. One who has Guru Nishtha, then he can deliver whole world. His life will be successful. Guru Nishtha, this is very important. Understand? Do or die. Many people, they are taking Diksha mantra from Guru, but no Guru Nishtha, no Guru Bhakti. So their bhajan sadhana is useless. Nothing. Externally thinking, oh, he speaks very nice, he's servicing very nice, but all his endeavors are useless, zero. Gurudev lecture, you listen very carefully. So Guru Nishtha, Guru Bhakti, this is very important. This life, I completely surrender to the feet of my Guru. Dhyana Moolam Guru Murti. You learn all these words. Dhyana Moolam Guru Murti. Puja Moolam Guru Padam. Mantra Moolam Guru Vakkam. Moksha Moolam Guru Kripa. Dhyana Moolam Guru Murti. The source of all kinds of meditation, then that is called meditation of Gurudev. Diksha Guru or Shiksha Guru, there are no different Diksha Guru and Shiksha. Diksha Guru ke janiye tumi taharo roop, Shiksha Guru ke janiye tumi taharo swarup, और अंतर्जामी भक्त श्रेष्ठ यही दुई रूप. So there are, for this, ध्यान मूलं गुरु मूर्ति, puja moolam guru padam, the source of all kinds of worship, puja. That is called worship the lotus feet of Guru. Mantra moolam guru vakkam, the source of all kinds of mantra. That is called Guru Vakka. Guru Vakka means follow the instruction of Guru. What Gurudev is saying, you have to follow. Look, this thing. Or moksha moolam Guru Kripa. Here moksha means salvation, liberation. What is that? Topmost liberation. That is called one who realizes his own transcendental constitutional form, and which is transcendental constitutional form direct serve to his Ishtadeva. Mukti jha natharupam saswarupena vyavastiti mukti. There are many definitions of liberation, mukti, but topmost definition of mukti liberation, that is called mukti jhanatharupam saswarupena vyavastiti mukti. One who realizes his own transcendental constitutional form, and with his transcendental constitutional form Siddhideva, he directly serves his Ishtadeva. That is called perfect mukti. So for this regards, moksha moolam Guru Kripa. Without this mercy of Guru, any method, you cannot realize your own Sarup, transcendental constituent form. So Guru Kripa. All these things. Spadika, every day we are singing. Gurudev Kripa Bindu Diya Karo Ye Dase Tinapeksha Yotina Sakala Sahane Baladiya Karo Nijamane Sprihahina सकले सम्मान करिते सकते देहनाथ जता आरे तबे तो गाहिब हरि नाम सुखे तबे तो गाहिब हरि नाम सुखे अपराध हबियत तबे हेन कृपा लभियाए जन हितार्थ होइनाथ हरे शक्ति बुद्धि আমি অতি দিন কর মরি আত্মসাত যোগ্যতা বিচারে কিছু নাই পায় তোমার করুণা সার আর করুণা না হইলে কাঁদিয়া কাঁদিয়া প্রাণ না রাখিব আর জয় গুরুদেব জয় গুরুদেব গুরুদেব জয় গুরুদেব Hello, Vrindavan Bihari Lal. So, what did you learn from Hanuman ji? Hanuman ji से क्या शिक्षा मिली? निष्ठा, इष्टदेव निष्ठा. What is it? इष्टदेव निष्ठा. Always remember. All we learn everything from Hanuman ji is Ishtadeva Nishtha. Steady. One pointedness. He is Ishtadev. Do you understand? This is our word. So always it is Hanuman. Ram ke chale na Hanuman bina. Aar Hanuman chale na Ram ke bina. They are singing this. What is it? दुनिया चले ना राम के बिना राम जी चले ना हनुमान के बिना दुनिया चले ना राम के बिना What is the meaning?
The world doesn't move without Ram and Ram doesn't move without Hanuman.
So sing दुनिया चले ना राम के बिना राम जी चले ना हनुमान के बिना So Hanuman, he controlled Bhagavan Ram. Sevak. Service. How is beautiful his service. And his Nishtha showing to us. He has Nishtha with his Ishtadeva. This is very important. We have to learn different Sevak or Lord. भगवत से बोलो भगवान रामचंद्र की जय श्यावा रामचंद्र की. So for this regard, if you really to enter in the highest prem, Gurudev told, Radha Krishna prem, that is called not ordinary prem, highest prem. MA PhD. But if you want to know this high steps prem, first you come to Hanuman Ram and sit. Hanuman Raman. That means you have to read Ramayan. If you have no knowledge about Ramayan, so how to understand about Krishna prem? Ramchandra, he established Marjada. Marjada, understand? Following all the rules and regulation of the society. Marjada Purushottam Bhagavan Ramachandra. बोलो भगवान मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम भगवान रामचंद्र की जय. Then you understand, our Krishna is called, what is called? Leela Purushottam. Only remember, what is called? Leela Purushottam. He performs sweet Leela. So Bhagavan Krishna is called Leela Purushottam. Our Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called Prema Purushottam Bhagavan Sachidananda Gaur Hari ki. Only remember this. So Marjada Purushottam, Leela Purushottam and Prema Purushottam. Especially in this Kali Yuga, who will give Prem, Braja Prem? You read Chaitanya Chaitamrita. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself told, Ama Prina Braja Prem nahi anne dite. In this Kali Yuga, only I will give Braja Prem. If you want to Braja Prem, you have to completely, absolutely surrender lotus feet of Sachidananda Gaur Hari. Gaurango, Gaura Premo, Rasar Nave, Se Tarange, Jeva Dube, Se Radha, Madhavam Tarango. And if you want to highest Prem, Braja Prem, you completely surrender lotus feet of Sachidananda Gaur Hari. First come Gaura Sundar. Then Gaura Sundar will give Braja Prem. Jatha Jatha Gaura Padar Vinde. Vinde Bhakti Krita Punna Punja Tatha Tatha Sarpi Hidi Akasmat Radha Padambujo Sudhamburasi. Surrender Sachidananda Gaur Hari. Surrender lotus feet of Sachidananda Gaur Hari. Sachidananda Gaur, he is Krishna. He is not different from Krishna. He is not different from Ramachandra. He is not different from Lakshmi Narayan. Lakshmi, what is called? Narayan. Same. But especially in this Kali Yuga, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has come, who is called the combined form of different couple of Radha and Krishna. Sachidananda Gaur Hari. Valo Gaura 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 Pahimam Gaura 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 Rakshamam. Haro Bhaja Gauranga Japa Gauranga Maha Gaurangera Halo Gaura 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 Rakshamam Gaura Gaura Hari Gaura 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 Pahima Halo Bhaja Gauranga Japa Gauranga Allah Gaurangera Halo Jigana Gaura Bhaja Se Amar Prana Re Jigana Gaura Bhaja Halo Gaura 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 Rakshamam Gaura 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 Rakshamam Gaura 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 Pahimam Hare Sachidananda Gaur Hari. So today the Lord is one, but according to the angle of vision, Rasamadhurya, different devotees are looking different way. Same Sachidananda Gaur Hari. But those that are devotees of Vishnu Bhakta, they are thinking he is Narayan. He is saying Gaur Narayan. Those are devotees of Ram looking. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Ramachandra is looking. Are those who are devotee of Krishna, they are thinking he is Krishna. Are those who are devotee of both Radha and Krishna, Jugal Krishna, then they are singing how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That is called Radha Bhava Subolita. No me go Vachan. Sachin. Both combined form of, as like this form, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested in front of Rai Ramananda. What is it? That is called Rasaraj Mahabhav Sarup. Hasi Prabhu Tare dikhai lo, Rasaraj Mahabhav Sarup. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu smiled, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifest Rasaraj Mahabhav Sarup. Krishna is called Rasaraj, or Srimati Radhika is called Mahabhav. Now Rasaraj Mahabhav combine and manifest this form. देखिए रायरमंद होइल मूर्छित, then रायरमंद completely what? Fainted. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is saying Bhagavan, he is saying Krishna. And especially Kali Yuga, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he will give highest prem, praja prem. Take this. Follow Sajanandan Gaur Hari Ki Jai Jai Shri Ram. Now we take Mahaprasad Ki Jai Jai Shri Ram. Now they offer finish. This will the prasad.
Announce all the programs that we have.
Take this.